In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 502 bad gateway error in Google Chrome. This error can be a bit frustrating, especially when you're trying to access a website you need. But don't worry, we're going to go through some steps to help you resolve this issue, starting with some basic troubleshooting tips and then moving into more advanced methods. First things first, let's start with the easiest solutions that often get overlooked. Simply refreshing the page might solve your problem, as this error is sometimes temporary. To do this, you can either press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh button on the toolbar. This quick action may be all you need to get back on track. Next, it's a good idea to check whether the site is down for everyone or just you. You can do this by using a service like Down for Everyone or Just Me. If the website is indeed down for everyone, unfortunately, there's nothing you can do but wait for the site's administrators to address the issue. Now make sure to double-check the URL. It's easy to accidentally mistype a web address, so it's worth a look to ensure everything is spelled correctly. Moving into more advanced troubleshooting steps, we're going to start by clearing your cache and cookies. Sometimes, corrupted or outdated data in your browser can trigger the 502 error. To clear these in Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and find the option to clear browsing data. From there, select Cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files, and proceed to clear the data. Doing this can often resolve the error by removing any corrupted data that may be causing the problem. Another method you can try is using incognito mode. This opens the page without any extensions or cached data, essentially giving you a fresh start. If the site loads without the error in incognito mode, then one of your extensions might be causing the issue. Should incognito mode work, go back to your regular browser mode to disable extensions one by one. This process of elimination will help identify the specific extension causing the trouble. When you find the culprit, either update or remove the problematic extension. And there you have it, a series of steps you can take to diagnose and fix the 502 bad gateway error. By refreshing the page, checking the site's status, verifying the URL, clearing cache and cookies, and testing with incognito mode, you can solve this issue effectively. If you try all these steps and still encounter difficulties, the problem could be on the server's end, and waiting might be your best option.